Alright, so wouldn't you having to pay $50 for a basic car maintenance that you could do at home all by yourself? Well, today I'll be talking about a specific car maintenance, and that is the radiator cooling system flush. Alright, so I'll be explaining the importance of doing a radiator car's cooling system flush, and then I'll go more into the procedure and the materials that you'll be needing for that procedure. So to start off with, I want to explain what is a radiator cooling system, and that is basically a heat transfer fluid. It's designed to excess heat from your car engine. Alright, so according to the Christian Brothers Automotive, the benefits of this cooling system is to remove any scale deposits. The new antifreeze that you'll be doing in the procedure will help lubricate water pump, and this will extend its durability. It will prevent old antifreeze from becoming acidic, and that will help avoid breaking down and causing any damages to your water pump or to your engine components. Alright, so the antifreeze comes in many different types of antifreezes, many different liquid colors, and it just depends on the car that you have, and that will influence which type of antifreeze you're supposed to use. So now I'll talk about all the materials. So right here I have a universal antifreeze. Basically this one is the safest one if you don't know which one your car is supposed to use. It's meant for all cars, but if you want to be even safer, you should just look up the car you have and which antifreeze it will be using. Next, I have a jug, any type of jug. This will help to pour in the old antifreeze that will be coming out of your car, so you won't be spilling it into the car, into the sidewalk, and any other places. Another material that you'll be using is a wrench. This one is just necessary because it'll help you to loosen up the plug that is locking the antifreeze inside the car. The plug will be at the bottom of the car, and you will use this to unscrew it, and will help all the antifreeze come out of the car. Another material that you'll be using is a tray, which will also help if you want to put it under your car just to avoid any other spilling, and then you can just take it out and get it properly disposed of. Okay, so real quick, this is where the antifreeze will be going. That's the jug where we'll be entering the new antifreeze. So as you can see, mine's already fully filled up, so I won't be doing the procedures. I'll just show you real quick. So right there, that's where our universal antifreeze would be going. So what y'all want to do is take off the cap first, so that way you can let the antifreeze go out near you well cleanly. Here we have the wrench that we'd be using, and the little cap is all the way down there. It's that little cap is the one you have to loosen up. And then we have our tray down here at the bottom, and if you see that little pipe, that's where the antifreeze will be falling down right into the tray. So after you loosen up the plug, the antifreeze will all start coming down and will be filling up the tray. Once that's done, you will remove the tray. You want to then tighten up again the little cap, and that's after that when you put in your new antifreeze. And then you'll just turn on your car and let it run into it, and antifreeze will run into your engine, and then you just pour in more, and that way it will full up and your engine will be better. I hope y'all were able to learn something from this video, and that way now y'all be able to save money instead of going to the mechanic, or just for this basic maintenance that y'all could do at home by yourselves, and y'all be able to spend that money on y'all or something else. Thank you.